Hello, welcome back to the channel. Been cutting bits off, doing a small bit of welding, cleaning up the other flitch panel and inner wing, basically getting to work out what panels I need to order. So at the moment I need a front flitch for the passenger side. I need a front inner wing for the passenger side again. Need a passenger side floor front, driver side floor front, jacking point that goes behind the sill, and the inner rear floor pan, just the inner sill bit. The actual floor pan's absolutely fine. I'll get those three bits all ordered up, and hopefully the next video you should see me start welding some of them in. It definitely is not the most in-depth video at all. It was literally just me getting everything ready to work out what I needed to order. So yeah, hopefully in the next couple of weeks I'll get it all on order, get it all here, and we can start by really chopping the car apart and welding new panels in then. Please make sure you subscribe to see what's going on, and the videos will go up as I do the work, hopefully a lot more now, because the weather's not as great outside, and makes you want to stay in the garage a bit more instead of enjoying the sun outside. Right, just chop the doorstep out, and that's basically what's left. Whether I place those front mounting things or not, I don't know, but I will put a new jacking point in. It's not too bad at the back there. Obviously it needs replacing, but I will buy the front floor section, and I'll buy a new inner sill section to get that all welded in. I'll get that in order now. Right, I think we need to have a go at cleaning that undersill off and see what's under this lot. Long boring old job, but I get the angry wheel and a stripper wheel on it and see where we go from and see where we get to. Well, it certainly looks like this side's a lot better than the other side. I've obviously got all the top there that needs replacing, and down the bottom. What is a bit strange is it looked like they welded a new panel in, but on the wrong side. I'll try and get that off in a second and see what's left underneath. My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna Right, that's a really strange way of doing it. It was put on the wrong side. And as you can see, certainly made it rust underneath. The actual hinge panel part is not actually too bad. So what I do, I get the new flipped panel on order, and I get it here before cutting any more out, so I know exactly what I need to cut out, and go from there. With the front being inner wing being so rusty there, and it goes into the flutes for the radiator, I think I'd best buy a whole new inner wing. Although the shock mount isn't ridiculously bad, considering the other side was full of filler. I don't think that's too bad at all. I'll try and get the top bit out in one so I can copy it nice and easy and get it welded back in. I've got to do the other side yet, but the other side was a lot more rotten than this side, so it was a bit harder, or gonna be a bit harder. I'll get a new passenger side floor as well, near side floor, because it is rotten down there.
Some kind of